Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on money. In many countries, calculations involving money are similar to calculations used with decimals. The dollar amounts are placed to the left of the decimal point and the cents are placed to the right of the decimal point. Let's see a few examples using some of the operations and see how this works. So the first thing we do, we're going to calculate the sum of these three amounts of money. So you can just write them down as normal decimals. You don't need the dollar signs at the front. We just include that at the end. So the trick is to put the numerals under each other perfectly and also the decimal points. And once you do that, you can't go wrong. It's just normal addition and you just do the necessary trading. So when we add those three amounts, we get $14. Adding these three amounts here, similarly we place them perfectly aligned and also the decimal points perfectly aligned. We do our normal addition with our normal trading and we get $102.05. As we said earlier, they are the dollars because it's to the left of the decimal point, and these are the cents to the right of the decimal point. We have subtraction also. We're subtracting those two amounts. Again, just write them down normally as if they were normal decimals. Do your normal subtraction. There's no trading here, so it's very straightforward, and we get the answer of $44.47. Over here we also have another subtraction. It's a little bit more involved because we have trading. Notice how we've set all the digits up perfectly aligned. Same with the decimal points. You will see the trading is exactly as we learned in primary school, and if you take your time and do that, you won't make a mistake. So the answer here when we do that subtraction will be $58.65. Now with worded problems, the trick is to read the problem carefully and you must decide what has to be done. I bought 9 books and each book costs $6.75. What is the total cost of the 9 books? It makes sense that we have multiplication involved here. So it's $6.75 times 9. We do the normal multiplication with the normal trading and we end up with $60.75. Number 6. John bought 7 kilograms of tomatoes at $4.35 per kilogram. How much change does he get from $50? Now before we can work out how much change John gets, we have to work out the total amount of money that he paid out. And all we do is $4.35 times 7. We do our normal multiplication with our normal trading and we get $30.45. Now we can work out the change. So we have $50 minus $30.45. And when we do that with our normal trading, we get the answer of $19.55. So that is the change. So this video has introduced some basic calculations with money, and the procedures we follow are exactly the same as we do with decimals.